The E4 error code on your Vissani portable air conditioner indicates either a water drainage problem or a temperature sensor issue. Let's understand what causes this error and how to fix it. The most common cause of the E4 error is a full water tank. Portable air conditioners remove moisture from the air during operation, and this water collects in an internal tank. When the tank reaches capacity, the unit displays the E4 error to prevent overflow. To fix a full water tank, follow these steps. First, unplug the unit from the power source for safety. Then, carefully move the unit to a location where you can drain the water, such as near a floor drain or over a large container. Next, remove the bottom drain cap to allow all water to drain completely. After draining, replace the drain cap securely before restarting the unit. The E4 error should disappear once the tank is empty. If the water tank is not full, the E4 error may be caused by a faulty temperature sensor. This can result from a damaged sensor, loose wiring connections, or a short circuit in the sensor system. To inspect the temperature sensor, first check the sensor and its wiring for any visible damage or corrosion. Clean any debris you find. If the sensor appears broken or wiring is damaged, contact customer service for replacement. Always ensure the unit is unplugged before any inspection. When basic fixes like emptying the water tank and checking sensors don't resolve the E4 error, several advanced troubleshooting steps can help identify and fix the underlying problem. Start with a complete system reset. Unplug the unit from power, wait 3 to 5 minutes, then plug it back in. This can resolve display panel communication errors and reset internal systems. Regular air filter maintenance is crucial for preventing E4 errors. Dirty filters restrict airflow, causing the unit to overheat and malfunction. Clean filters every 2 weeks by removing, rinsing with water, and allowing them to dry completely before reinstalling. Inspect the drain system for clogs or leaks that could trigger the E4 error. Check drain lines, condensate pans, and ensure water flows freely. Clear any blockages carefully to restore proper drainage function. Vissani portable air conditioners have power supply cords with built-in reset and test buttons. Press the test button to verify the unit turns off, then press reset to restart. If these buttons don't function properly, the power cord may need replacement. Contact Vissani customer service or a qualified HVAC technician if the E4 error persists after trying these steps. Professional help is needed for refrigerant leaks, fan motor problems, or persistent electrical issues that require specialized tools and expertise. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting power before performing any maintenance. Consult your user manual for model-specific troubleshooting steps. Regular maintenance, including filter cleaning and proper drainage, prevents most error codes and ensures efficient operation.